Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter drizzle. First, gather your ingredients: creamy peanut butter, powdered sugar, and milk. You'll also need a small bowl and a whisk or spoon. For a small batch, measure out 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk. This simple combination will create a delicious, pourable drizzle in just a few moments. Now let's get mixing. Take your 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter and put them into your small bowl. Next, add the 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar directly into the bowl with the peanut butter. Use your whisk or spoon to stir these 2 ingredients together really well. At first, it might look a bit thick and crumbly, almost like a paste, but don't worry, that's exactly what we want before adding the liquid. This is where the magic happens. Begin by adding 1 teaspoon of milk to your peanut butter and sugar mixture. Stir continuously and vigorously until the mixture starts to smooth out. If it's still too thick, add another 1/4 teaspoon of milk and continue stirring. Repeat this process, adding very small amounts of milk until your drizzle is perfectly pourable but still thick enough to coat a spoon. It should flow easily, but not be watery. Your delicious peanut butter drizzle is now ready to enjoy. You can immediately pour it over your favorite treats like pancakes, waffles, fresh fruit, or even ice cream. If you have any leftover, simply transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 5 days. When you're ready to use it again, just warm it gently in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds until it's pourable once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.